For this project, you will need a Sunprint Kit and Dresden Foil Letters. Dresden foils are delicate vintage-style embossed paper or metallic die cuts from Dresden, Germany. They add intricate, elegant details to crafts and artwork. Choose a quote or message for your print. I test out my composition on blue cardstock before I place it on the Sunprint paper in the floating frame. Secure your design and place it outside in a sunny area. I expose this in the midday sun for a couple of minutes. To develop your cyanotype, simply fill 2 baths with water, add a bit of hydrogen peroxide to your second water bath. Immerse your print in the first water bath and rinse it for a few minutes by rocking the water bath gently. Then immerse your print into the hydrogen peroxide bath. The hydrogen peroxide will speed up the oxidation process and reveal the iconic Prussian blue print. Remove your print and let it dry on a flat surface. For more cyanotype fun and DIY inspiration, visit my website megandmorrow.com and be sure to subscribe to this channel.